Today I'm going to show you how to make shortcrust pastry. This pastry is typically used in pies and pasties. You will need 200 grams of plain flour, 130 grams of butter cubed, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. To start with, to your flour add your cubed butter, and with the tips of your fingertips mix the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your egg and mix in. And then a little bit at a time add your water until it comes together as a dough. Then just pop in the fridge for half an hour. And then you can use your shortcrust pastry in whichever recipe you'd like. I do have a few recipes on the channel which require shortcrust pastry, which I do show how to make the shortcrust before we get into the recipe, but I will pop some of those links in the description below. And there you have it. That's how you make shortcrust pastry.